Open the Wix editor for the site you want to work on. If you're on the Wix dashboard, choose your site and head into the editor so you can make live design and content changes. Give the page a second to load. The editor will show your current layout with the side panels and top toolbar. Now, look for the highlighted control that opens the apps and content panel on the left. Click that, then select the blog option. This is Wix's built-in blogging tool, and it includes layouts, categories, and a post manager right out of the box. When you see the blog app details, choose Add to Site. Wix will place a blog feed and the necessary pages, like the post page and category pages, onto your site automatically. You can customize the look later. For now, we're focusing on getting your first post published. Once the blog is added, click Write Post. This opens the post editor, where you can create your content. In the title field, type a clear, descriptive headline that tells readers what the post is about. Below that, type your post body. Use short paragraphs, subheadings, and images to make the content easy to scan. The formatting toolbar lets you add links, quotes, and media, so take advantage of that to keep your post engaging and informative. When you're done drafting, click back to return to the post list and make sure everything's saved. From here, choose Publish to make the post go live in your blog manager. If you're not ready, you can keep it as a draft, but publishing will let you preview it on your actual site. After the post is live, select Share and promote your blog post. This opens sharing options so you can spread the word. Click the highlighted options for the channels you use most, such as copying the link, sharing to social platforms, or sending it by email. A quick tip: write a short, compelling caption when sharing to drive clicks. Return to the blog section if you want to double-check your settings, then click Publish in the editor. This publishes your entire site so the new blog and post appear publicly. Remember, post-publishing makes the content live in the blog manager, while site publishing pushes design and page changes to the web. Finally, click View Site to see everything in action. Scroll your blog feed, open the post, and confirm the layout, images, and links look great on both desktop and mobile. That's it. Your custom Wix blog is set up, your first post is live, and you're ready to keep creating.